Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a simple program that will count files in a particular directory. Okay, so we're going to start off. We import time, and I don't think we don't actually need to import time, so we'll get rid of that. But what you do need to import in is the OS module. Okay, let's just make that a bit bigger. We're going to create a function called count files. Then we're going to create a variable and assign it to 0. Then we're going to create another variable called file type, and then we're going to assign that to input because we want the user input. They want the user to type in a particular file type, so literally enter file type here. .txt as an example. Right, we're going to use for root dias files oh dear in os.walk. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to specify a directory. I'm going to have to make this a little bit smaller there. I'm going to specify a directory I want to search. So on my system it's going to be C users mark, and I'm going to do my downloads file. Right, so that's for my system. Your system will be slightly different from this, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to check the downloads file here, downloads folder, sorry. So we're going to loop through that using for file in files. I'm going to use the conditional, so if the file, when we're looping through it, dot ends with what we're going to do here, we're just going to type in file type, because we've already specified the file type above in the input. Then we're going to use the count here is equal to count plus 1. So we set a counter there to 0, so we're going to count the files. Then we're going to print a message to the user, print, and we're going to use the F string here to format it, found. Then we're going to interpolate the file into there, which is going to be file type. Okay. And what we're going to do is we're going to do another print, another F string here, and we're going to say files found. Then we're going to interpolate the count into there, so that will tell us how many files we have found in that particular folder or directory. Now we're going to use the catch-all, the else statement. If that's not the case, simply going to print not found. Okay. Right, okay, now let's just call this program. So this is going to be count files. Save it. Let's run it. Hopefully there's no typos or anything. Okay, let's just make this a little bit bigger. So I'm going to look for PDF files. .pdf. Whoops, that's wrong. .pdf. Hit enter. Okay, so let me just zoom out a little bit. Not found. So what it's doing, it's looping through this folder. So it's looking for a file. So this file wasn't a PDF, and it's found a PDF here. Files found 2, files found 3, 4, 5. As we go down further, as it loops through this folder or directory, it's counting the files, and at the end we found 13 PDF files in that directory. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscription button below, and I'll catch you guys in another video. Bye bye.